What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing, Judy babies? Today, me and two of my kids, along with my mama, is going to the Freedom Center because it's free today, and we get to take pictures with Black Santa for free. We just pulled up to my mama's house, and we waiting for her to come out so we can all ride in the car with her. But before we get any further into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe and turn on y'all post notifications so y'all can get a notification every single time we post a video over here in Judy's world. Oh, and by the way, this is what is this, like day 3 of Vlogmas for us. No, I'm not doing the whole 25 like day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through 25. I'm doing my days considering, based on, depending on what we doing. But yeah, this is day 3 of Vlogmas for us, and yeah, let's go to the Freedom Center, y'all. So my mom's husband decided to go to the Freedom Center with us as well. Look at my mommy up there riding passenger princess. I'm just back here chilling. Here we are, almost at the Freedom Center. Y'all, we made it down here. Here comes Santa. So we just got done taking our picture with Santa. Now we walking around the Freedom Center about to see what all they have in here. My baby reading the sign. Surveyors and adventurers. This is different parts of Kentucky, y'all.
Most of them.
Where slaves done ran through and stuff. Bowling Green, Kentucky. Oh, there go Gatlin, Tennessee. Mississippi. This is one of the places they actually jailed some of the slaves. Of course, they did a lot of reconstruction because it didn't look like this back in the day. But this is it. This the map with most of the routes that they used for the slaves.
Yeah, you can pick it out if you want to try to work on it. Before the gin, a person would take all day to pick seeds out of just 5 pounds of.
The slaves really had secret words and stuff, so the slave owners wouldn't know what they was talking about. Oh, they ain't letting us open it. It is a lot of history in this place. A lot of history and information. But of course, we need more time to come and look at this because I don't know about seeing this whole place in just a day. Ma, look at the moss on the trees. Go direction moss. How you liking it?
This
The
I'm
Freedom
loving
Center.
It. I'm loving it. It's a bit emotional, but
We in the Freedom Center gift shop. What's that, soap?
Yes, it's soap. It says it on the box. It's velvet soap.
Look at this chapstick, y'all.
What is that pic? Obama.
Obama.
Who is Obama?
Soothes and protects. They funny. Hard working lip balm.
look at this. It's pretty. I don't know what it is, but
Oh, that is pretty. Oh, those are fans right there.
my teacher one of those. It's a purple one right here. It's purple and gold.
Our class is a country. Helen Keller. They got a lot of good books in here. Shades of Black. Silly.
It feels good.
They got jewelry.
Juice, did you like it? Use your words. Did you like it? You want to come back? You don't want to come back? Yes. You want to come back? We gonna come back. I don't know what he talking about. We gonna come back. Come on.
Oh.
We had a nice time at the Freedom Center, y'all, and now we are off to grab something to eat. We decided on Frisch's, haven't been here in a while. Now, what are we gonna eat? We are done for the day, y'all. We done had a nice little time at the Freedom Center. We done had a nice little time at Frisch's. And now, I'm about to make a stop at my mom's shop. We gotta do something. And then I'm going home to take me a nap. Did you have a good time, son? What I tell you about using your words? Until next time, y'all. Bye, Judy baby.